All right, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about two strong buy stocks that are trading right now at extreme deep discounts right now in the stock market. These are two biopharmaceutical plays with over 100% and over 200% respectively for these two stocks. And I'm excited to talk to you about them, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. In this video, we're going to talk about two strong buy biopharmaceutical stocks that are trading at deep discounts right now. Now, I know you may be thinking, I don't want to buy a company that's just tanking, right? So what I want to say is when you look at companies with steep discounts, now these companies are down 30 to 40% year to date. And a lot of companies are right now, but there are plenty of companies that are doing really, really well this year. These two companies aren't doing so hot. But when you look at companies that are at steep discounts, but they also have some five-star analysts, some expert analysts in the stock market saying, look, I think these are good buys right now, and here's why. That's the companies that you should be looking at on TipRanks.com. So that's what I want to show you. The first company I want to talk to you about is INZY Pharma, ticker symbol INZY. This is a biopharma company engaged in research on the treatment of rare diseases involving abnormal mineralization of the vascular, skeletal, and soft tissues in the body. INZY currently has one drug candidate on several simultaneous research tracks in the pipeline. INZY 701 is a solid protein capable of circulating through the body. It was designed to have long-term distribution and elimination phases for a steady state concentration in the blood. INZY 701 is undergoing research as a treatment for two genetic diseases, ENPP1 deficiency and ABCC6 deficiency. ENPP1 is associated with arterial calcification and a form of rickets, while ABCC6 deficiency leads to pathological mineralization of the blood vessels, with potentially terminal effects including cardiovascular complications and skin calcifications. Neither one of those diseases, those rare diseases, sounds pleasant at all, so this company is doing some good work. In recent months, INZY has made progress on the preparations for clinical trials of INZY 701. The drug candidate has received orphan drug designation from the European Medicine Agencies for the treatment of ABCC6 deficiency, and the clinical trial application in Europe has been accepted for phase 1 and 2 study on the track. In the US, INZY's investigational new drug application was accepted for a similar phase 1 and 2 trial. The company expects to enroll patients in clinical trials for both ABCC6 and ENPP1 deficiencies in the fourth quarter of this year, and to report safety data during the first half of 2022. Now, like I said, both of these stocks are trading down quite a bit year to date. INZY is down 44% year to date, so it is trading at a steep discount right now. We have Wedbush's analyst David Niergarten saying the anticipated data release from the first in-human studies of 701 marks a potentially pivotal de-risking event for this program. Positive initial data could result in additional upside to our current $37 price target. As it stands, our valuation model indicates INZY shares remain undervalued ahead of initial human data for an enzyme replacement therapy. As a result, now is the time to own INZY before first in-human data is released in the next 12 months. Now, if we go over to what the analysts have to say about INZY or INZY Pharma, it's a strong buy based on 3 ratings with an average upside of, take a peek at that, 234%. Now, this stock is trading around $11.50 per share as of recording this video. And we have David Niergarten, a 5-star analyst from Wedbush, with a 51% success rate, giving this a 221% upside. And then we have Christopher Raymond, another 5-star analyst from Piper Sandler, with a 52% success rate, giving this a 247% upside. Both of these price targets were reiterated last month. So that's what we've got for the first company. Let me know what you think about this company. Do you agree with these analysts? Do you guys know anything more about this particular company? I would love to hear your opinion down in the comments. All right, second company we're going to talk about is another clinical stage biopharmaceutical company called Molecular Templates. Ticker symbol there is MTEM. This company is working to discover and develop a new generation of immunotoxins, engineered toxin bodies, or ETBs, that are a novel class of therapeutics that combine unique biology with differentiated modes of action. The company has 3 such ETB drug candidates in clinical trials, targeting multiple myeloma along with solid tumor cancers. In August of this year, the company took control of full rights to TAK-169 from its partner Takeda, bringing this multiple myeloma treatment entirely under MTEM auspices. The drug is in phase 1 study, which began dosing patients in February of last year. The company plans to issue an update on the study in the fourth quarter of 2021. So both of these companies have upcoming catalysts this year in the fourth quarter. Inozyme has a bigger catalyst in the first half of 2022. The other ongoing clinical trials for Molecular Templates both target solid tumor cancers. The study of MT5111 focuses on HER2 positive breast cancer, and data from the dose escalation portion of the study should be available in the upcoming Q4. The final trial ongoing of MT6402 as a treatment for PD-L1 expressing tumors has begun with the dose of 16 micrograms, and determination of the maximum tolerated dose will lead to recommendations for further studies. Molecular Template is on track to release an update of this study in the fourth quarter of 2021 as well. Now, despite these ongoing trials, MTEM, Molecular Templates, is down almost 40% year to date, very similar to Inozyme Pharma. But Oppenheimer's 5-star analyst Kevin DeGeeter is very bullish, writing, "We view MT5111 and MT6402, which targets large established markets with an alternative MOA, as the 2 ETB programs with the best opportunities for near-term value creation." He also states that this is prime for licensing in the future if this does have positive results, which Kevin DeGeeter expects that they will. Now, Molecular Templates, ticker symbol MTEM, is trading right now right around $6 per share. This comes in with a strong buy based on 4 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 125%. Kevin DeGeeter gives this a $13 price target with 125% upside, reiterated last month. And then we have a 4-star analyst from Laidlaw, Yale, Jen, giving us a 211% upside, also reiterated last month as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Let me know if you have a favorite between these 2 stocks, if you think one or the other is more promising. I do like MTEM and that they have this partner in Takeda, a very large biopharm company, and I like what they're doing with cancer research as well. And I think the licensing potential for these drugs is really, really promising. So I really like that one, even though it has less of a price target or high price target. So let me know how you guys feel down in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you every time I post a video. As always, if you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next one.